It went very well. I knew they were going to have some problems pulling windows out. They had that problem. They cleaned up. They did a perfect job, really. It was 9.5 out of 10, really.
Awesome. And how are you liking your new windows?
They are great. I didn't notice anything until last night when the cold front came through. And it wasn't that bad a cold front, but it normally dropped down under 70 in my house. It stayed at 72. So I immediately knew that the windows had some kind of effect, and they sure did. So hopefully that'll happen in the summertime when I'm not here.